Hello guys, hello everyone. Welcome to my live stream. Welcome to my live stream. Today we are going to be covering a lot. We are going to be covering a lot, okay? And today we are going to also catch trade. How many people are watching from YouTube? If you know you are watching from YouTube, can I see your comment? Can I see your comment? So I'm waiting for some people to join. David Kalio, I can see you. So I'm waiting for some people to also join before we kickstart today's class. So in the class is going to start in the next, like, let's give you like 5 minutes. Okay. Now I'm going to cover a lot today, and we are possibly going to catch trades. David, do you have a real trading account, a real forex trading account? Do you have any accounts that you're trading?
I'm a trader.
Okay, do you have any funded account?
Yes, I have.
Okay.
Bluetooth mode.
So I'm waiting for more people to join before we start this class. Okay. Now I'm looking at different pairs that we can potentially take today.
I checked some of the pairs, but I'm not seeing a a very good entry for now.
Yes, you see the reason why this market is dropping, you can see that all the pairs, they are very volatile right now. You notice that, right?
Yes,
It's because of the war. It's because of the war that is going on US versus US, Israel and Iran.
I know.
So for today, the setup that I'm looking after today is, let's see, you see Euro USD.
Yes, I'm seeing it.
Euro USD. I'm looking forward to sell this Euro USD today.
But I'm sorry
here.
to ask. I want to know what type of trader are you?
What is type of trader? I'm a day trader and swing trader.
Huh?
Day trader.
Okay.
Day trader.
Are you an SMC trader?
No,
Huh?
no, I don't trade SMC. I trade supply and demand. Supply and demand.
Supply and demand. But me, I'm an SMC trader.
So you have not seen any market has not yet come to your order block.
Yes, yes, I've not get any accurate market for now. There's a market I supposed to.
Oh.
There's a market I lost. I did not check it earlier. I missed that market. I think that market was JBP, something like that. And the market reached my TV. I set everything, but I forgot. I was busy doing something else. So I cannot follow that market. I was very angry.
Okay.
I want to ask a question.
What question?
I want to know if, like now, I don't know, maybe you have seen something like this. Like you set another block for market to touch your other block. When market touch your other block, we go to 15-minute time frame or 5-minute time frame to check for change of character. I check for change of character, and sometimes, I don't know, maybe because this pattern is SMC that used to do it. You check for change of character first before you wait for the market to touch your other block again in the 5 minutes before you will buy. And sometimes this market will not touch your other block. The market will just show you change of character and the market will start to buy straight. The market will not reverse. I don't know, maybe you know something like that.
Yeah, yes, it happens. It happens.
The market will not, yes, the market will not reverse back. The market will just go and buy or sell. How can I know that this market will not reverse? How can I know that the market will not sell or buy? Is there any way to know such a thing? Because
no, sometimes
I used to lose out for trade because the market refused to reverse and touch my other block. The market will just go and buy straight.
Okay, the market does not used to reverse in 15 minutes. You don't used to see it come to your other block in 15 minutes. That's what you're saying.
Yeah, sometimes the market will not reverse. It will not reverse. It will not come back to my other block in 5 minutes or 15 minutes.
This is what I will tell you, okay? What I will tell you is that sometimes once the market hits your major order block, that is maybe your 1 hour order block, that is the major one, okay? Once market hits that one, you need to just take your trade and set your stop loss, okay? Now you stop checking the 5 minutes, 5 minutes change of character and 15 minutes. Just once it touches your 1 hour time frame, that's the major one, you take your trades, then give it at least 20 pips stop loss, then allow the trade to go. Now, but make sure that when you are taking the trade, when you are trading your SMC, make sure that the market is in uptrend. That is the market is in that's the change of character. The market is trending upward. That the market is making higher highs and higher lows. Make sure that the market is trending upward. then you mark out your order block, you take the trade, then you allow it to play out. Allow it to play out. If it hits your stop loss, so be it. If it doesn't hit your stop loss, you're going to make money. So stop waiting for that 5 minutes or 15 minutes change of character. Okay. Do you have any other thing you want to say?
I'm coming. Checking for something.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I'm hearing you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, yeah. What do you say?
I said, do you have any other thing you want to say?
Okay, no, for now, I don't have any other thing. I'm just trying to check something. Maybe I can ask you.
Okay.
The account I have is just $10 account too. $10.
Okay, so today, look at this trade here. Now I have the market just came back to my the market just hit my order block here. That's you SMC traders call it order block.
I'm not seeing it. Move it to the right.
Can you see it now?
Yes, but I'm not seeing it from the beginning of the order block. I'm still not seeing it from the beginning of the order block. Okay.
Turn your phone now.
Okay, let me turn my phone.
Turn your phone landscape.
Okay, yes, I'm seeing it.
So this market now it's about to hit our order block here. Okay. Yes. Now it has already hit on the 1 hour time frame. But I'm just going to wait for that 1 hour candle to close. I don't want to just take the trade like this now. I want to wait for that 1 hour candlestick to close before I buy.
This 1 hour candlestick.
Okay.
Your time frame is in 1 hour.
Yeah, right now, like it's in 1 hour now, you can see.
Okay, 1 hour. So now when it has, I think it has touched the other block.
Yeah, it has touched it.
Then it touched the other block now. You move to 5 minutes or 15 minutes. Now you're not moving to 5 minutes or 15 minutes.
I don't used to move to anything. I used to take my trade like that.
Okay, if you take the trade like that, your stop loss will dig now.
Or if I go to 15 minutes time frame, you see that if I shorten this area now, you see the market has not yet touched my 15 minutes order block.
The market has not touched the 15 minutes means that the market has not touched the 1 minute order block very well too.
Yes.
I want to connect it with my laptop.
So what I do,
so I can also see it very well.
So what I do sometimes is, once the market hits my 1 hour order block, I will just buy. Okay.
You will buy?
I will just buy. I will just put stop loss. Yes, I'll just put.
I've never done that before.
I'll just put stop loss here. I'll just put like. You have never bought from 1 hour?
Yes, I've never entered
order block
before. Are you getting me? Hello?
Yes.
I say I've never entered a market on 1 hour time frame. I've never buy or sell in 1 hour time frame.
Are you a scalper?
I'm a day trader.
Well, for me, I'm a day trader and swing trader. So sometimes I'm comfortable entering trade on 1 hour time frame.
But if you check, check that 1 hour time frame, check your stop loss. Your stop loss will be, then check the one for 15 minutes or 5 minutes, your stop loss will be more.
I know. I have I know what I'm risking. I risk like between 20 to 30 pips. So I don't
And
it's
again,
not a
this
big deal. Okay.
these pips, like to calculate the pips, to know the pips, I don't know how to, I don't know those things. Like I don't know if I want to take a trade now, like how much I will make, how much I will lose. I don't know those things until I use one calculator. There's a calculator I use to check if I will know how much I will make and how much I will lose. I
I have
get
a
me,
video that
but
I
like all
explain
these
about
pips
those things.
now, like 20. You have a video there. The video, you know
I
that
have
we
a
have
video on
different
my
markets now.
I have
We
a
have
video on my
different
YouTube
markets.
channel that talks like videos.
Huh?
See this trade now. I'm about to take it now because it's going.
Which trade is that?
The Euro JPY trade.
Huh?
Euro JPY. Euro
Euro,
JPY.
wait, let me check with my system. Euro JPY. Okay. Has it touched the other block? Okay. Let me see. I'm seeing something here. Oh, let me see your setup. Let me see your setup. You have changed it. I'm not seeing you. Are not. You say Euro JPY now. Euro JPY. I'm not seeing anything again.
Yeah,
Let me go to. You see this Euro JPY? Eh?
yes.
You see this Euro JPY? That place
Ah,
you take
okay.
the other block. And that place you take the other block. Eh? That place you take the that place you said that place you put your stop loss. You that place you put your stop loss and your other block. I'm seeing that place as a liquidity zone. How do you see it? Do you see it like that?
Of course. So is that so what happened is that I this Euro JPY has already been on my mind. Okay. I've been expecting the market to come back to my demand, that's my order block for SMC. I call it my demand zone. So the thing has already hit my demand zone. So I just took a buy on the Euro
You took a
JPY
buy.
now. Okay.
You took a buy.
Yeah, I
You took
just
a
took
buy
a buy on the Euro G. Yes, yes, yes.
just now.
Since how much wait. How much money do you have in your account?
I don't- I found the money I have in my account. I have $10 now. I found $40, but I've removed some money, so I use the money and do other things. So I have $10 in my account now, currently now.
Okay, since you have only $10, don't this trade is not refined. Okay, maybe the stop loss is going to be big and your account is
Yes,
very small. So
I cannot take. You have more than $10 in your account. I believe so now.
don't take it. Don't take the trade. Okay. Yeah, I trade big account. Yes.
No, I say you have a big account now. You have like 1,000 those account.
Yes, yes,
Okay. But the thing is that
yes. I have
the thing is
1,000.
that
I have
I the thing is that I can trade. I can trade. I can trade. But the thing is that it's two things that give me problem is the capital and the patience. Like to sit down with your system and wait for all those my strategy because I will be doing other things too. So that is I used to miss out for some trade because I cannot continue to observe my market. So that is my problem. And it's the capital again.
I understand.
But to yes, to fund at least if I fund something like 100, at least 100 that will be okay. I'll be 150. Are you
I
getting me?
understand. You need to work on your patience.
Because I'll be doing other things now. Like I'm not a full-time trader that no, the full-time trader that make money fast in forex trading. Do you know that?
Yeah. Yes.
And if you want to make money in
Yes,
forex
yes,
trading,
yes.
you must concentrate and you must be with your system, check, observe everything. And those people make more money than the people that used to work. They like only the time I have, I want to use that little time I have to trade, and you'll be missing out for opportunity.
Yes. So what happened now is that I want to do analysis on that as on gold, Bitcoin, Euro USD, and GBP USD. So I want to officially start this live, okay? Because I'm also streaming on YouTube on my YouTube channel. So I want to quickly say some things before I continue answering your question, okay?
So let me go off now. Maybe enter later.
Yeah, yeah. If you want to go off, that's fine.
But I would like to get you on WhatsApp.
No worry, chat me up. You
Yeah?
chat me up. Go to my Telegram. Chat me up on my Telegram. Okay, I'm going to answer you.
I cannot chat on Telegram. They blocked me. I cannot chat on Telegram. They blocked me there.
I had leave a
Huh?
leave a. Oh, where did you join me from? It's not from Telegram. You joined me.
Yes, I can only click the link. I can see everything, but I cannot send a message.
What is your
I
number?
I get it. My phone number, my
Mm.
my Telegram number, my Telegram number 081.
Or let me call my number. Don't worry. Let me call my number. Okay.
Is it the WhatsApp number or which number?
Yes. WhatsApp. WhatsApp.
Okay, so I call it
070
070. Okay,
38
38
11
11
0917.
0917 070 38 11 0917. Eh?
Yes, 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 yes.
What is the
Yes,
name?
yes, yes.
What is your name?
Osmon FX. Osmon FX. Osmon FX.
Osmo. Where the Osmo?
Yes,
OS.
yes. That my group now, the name that is on the group, that my WhatsApp
Okay, okay, okay,
Telegram
okay,
group.
okay, okay. Yes, I get it. Okay. Do you know
So
that? Do you
welcome.
know that I follow you up on WhatsApp and TikTok?
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Mm.
It's okay, it's
Yes,
okay, it's
it's
okay.
on TikTok. It's on TikTok.
Later we yeah, okay, it's okay. Later we talk, okay?
Oh yeah.
I can I can see Sally. Sally, you're welcome. You're welcome to the class. I just want to quickly say some few things on this class before I answer your questions. Now, first of all, due to the war that is going on due to the war and due to the That's the US-Israel fight. US-Israel and Iran fight that is happening. Now, even though that this is a tragedy, what is happening in the world right now is a tragedy. But traders are making money with this thing. Traders are making a lot of money with the forex market right now, because why are they making money from the forex market? They are making money from the forex market because anytime there is war, people tend to move their money to a safe haven. That is, they try to put their money in a place that is more secure, in a currency or in a commodity that is more secure. And what are these commodities? Now, the commodities are like gold. People that trade gold, for example, people tend to buy gold so that they will preserve their money. They tend to invest in US dollar, which is the USD. And that is what caused this particular DXY to start going up. Okay. Before, I was expecting this DXY to drop down below. Okay. But due to the war that happened, a lot of people ran to invest their money in USD. That is the US, Israel, and Iran conflict. Okay. That is what caused this particular spike, this particular buying spike that happened here. So right now, the dollar is strong right now, okay? It's strong right now. That is why a lot of pairs are moving, are very volatile, and they are moving speedily, okay? So first of all, let's start from Euro USD. Okay, so Euro USD, for you guys that doesn't know, DXY, that's the pair that I just finished analyzing, is the pair that shows the strength of dollar. The DXY is a pair that shows the strength of dollar. Now let me go back to the DXY. Okay, now this particular DXY, as you can see, dollar index, that's what we call it. Anytime you see this dollar index going up, it means that the US, this thing, US currency is strong. US, that's USD is buying. So any pairs that ended with USD is going to be selling. As far as this one is buying, any pairs that ended with USD is going to be selling. And any pairs that started with USD is going to be buying. Okay. Now, the reason why all this thing is happening is because the USD pair, the dollar index is strong. So whenever you come to the DXY pair and you notice that the pair is going up, it means that the US dollar is strong. Okay. Then, as you can see, when this particular dollar index was going up, Euro USD was going down. So Euro USD is like the opposite of dollar index. All right. So a lot happened. A lot happened. For me, I was expecting Euro USD to come and hit this particular demand zone that is in this area. The market has already hit the demand zone. I was expecting the market to do what? To rally up. Okay. Now, due to the conflict that is happening around the world, that is what caused this market to not to go higher. That's what caused this market to do what? To drop lower. This Euro USD to drop lower. And from what I can see, if the dollar continue gaining strength, what we are going to see is that the market is obviously going to break out. If the dollar continues to gain in strength, the market is going to break out here. Okay, then probably retest and continue going down. Okay. So let me put it here. The market is going to break this support area that is here. Okay. Market is going to break it, retest, and start going up. And start going down. Okay. Or what we are going to see is that, as you can see, there's a lot of, if I go to a 4-hour time frame, there's a lot of imbalance here. There's a lot of imbalance here, okay? And also the market is reacting to a major support area, which is here, okay? And there's a 4-hour demand zone here. So there's high chance that the market is going to do what? Is going to rally up. There's high chance that the market is going to rally up and do what? And come back and break here. So that is it. Is it for Euro USD? Let's head over to Bitcoin. Now, guys, Bitcoin, I was expecting Bitcoin for BTC USD. I was expecting BTC USD last week. I was expecting BTC USD to come and take out this low. That's this particular low that is here. Okay. And if, as you can see, as you can see here, Jamila, you're welcome. So as you can see here, the market dropped. Yeah. And market went up again and gave us a higher low, a lower high. The market gave us a lower high, right? The market came back here, gave us another lower high here. Then the market now came down here and gave us a lower low, right? This is for BTC. Now, I was expecting the market to come and take out this low, but unfortunately, the structure of BTC now changed. As you can see, this high here is higher than this. Now, this is signaling that the market is about to be bullish. The market is about to start buying. Now, as you can see, when the market dropped and came back to the other block, that's my demand zone here. There was a demand zone here. The BTC USD started going up again. All right. So BTC USD, let's go to 1 hour time frame so that I can show you guys what is happening there. So guys, as you can see, the market took out this particular high. Okay, so this high is higher than this. The market took out that high. So the next time that the market came back, as you can see, here is our demand zone. That is order block for SMC traders. The market started doing what? Started buying again, right? So the reason why the market started buying is because that the market took out this particular high. Okay. Now, as you can see here again, as you can see here, this particular area, as you can see that this high here is higher than this. This high here, this particular high is lower than this. So this is signaling that the structure has broken, that the market is what is likely to be buying massively. That is why I drew another block here. There's another block here. That is, there's a demand zone here. So what I'm waiting for this for BTC. I'm waiting for the Bitcoin to come and hit this area. Let me change this thing to color. So I'm waiting for BTC to come and hit this as you can see, the market came down, almost hit it, but was not able to do what? Was not able to hit it. The market started going up. That is why you need to be patient. You need to do what? You need to be patient. You don't need to rush and enter trade. So as you can see, there's high chance that the market is going to come back here and hit this demand zone. This is my demand zone, which is other SMC traders call it order block. So once you hit this my demand zone, I will obviously buy. But before I buy, I will pay attention to the candlestick formation that is going to happen here. Now, the reason why I'm not so certain about the BTC buying is because, as you can see that this high that is here, this high did not take out this particular high. This is giving equal high. This high here is giving equal high. Okay. So there's high chance that the market is going to break this my trend line, or even this my other block that is here. That is my demand zone. There's high chance that the market is going to break it and head lower. Okay, which is why I drew this particular trend line. So what I'm going to be doing for this BTC USD is that I'm going to wait for the market to drop to my demand zone. Then I pay attention to the candlestick formation before I take action. Or I wait for a trend line break. You see this counter trend line that I drew here? This counter trend line that I drew here. If a 15-minute candlestick or a 1-hour candlestick settles above, then I'm going to hit what? I'm going to buy. I'm going to buy massively, because just know that the BTC is going to be breaking here and be going up. So this my counter trend line here is a major entry strategy that I use sometimes. So I'll just wait for the market to do what? To break it. Then I buy, I head higher. So that is my higher, and that is my analysis on BTC. Let's go to gold. I know a lot of you want to see me analyze gold. So as I said earlier, gold is going to be buying, gold is likely to be buying massively this week. Today is just Tuesday. So gold is going to be doing what? It's going to be buying massively, okay? Because it's likely. The reason why I say so is because people like to invest their money in safe haven. People like to put their money in safe haven. What do I mean by safe haven? Because gold, so gold is a very trusted commodity. Okay, so whenever there is an economic downturn or economic crisis, people tend to invest in gold. People tend to put their money in gold, and that is why gold always do what? Go up during crisis. Okay, and right now, because of that war that happened, because of the crisis that happened between the US Ukraine, okay, because of the crisis that happened, that is what made this market to do what? To started buying from here, because a lot of people were scared. Now the market just dropped, right? The market just dropped to a major support area, which is this area. And as you can see that as market tapped that area, the market started doing what? The market started buying massively. Okay, so this area now is a major support area. So from what I'm seeing now, gold is bullish. Unless gold takes out this particular low, then maybe we should expect a further sell. But once gold stays above this 5,500, no, 5,050, $5,050. Once gold stays above 5,050, then we do what? We're going to head higher. Now, for this particular candle that is going up right now, don't rush and buy. Don't rush and buy unless you want the market to do what? To destroy your account. So what I'll be expecting the market to do, I'll expect the market to come up here and do what? And come down again to this our support area, our major support area, or potentially taking out people. That's taking out this particular low before the market will head higher. So right now, if you're watching this video, what am I expecting the market to do? I'm expecting the market to do what? To drop down from here. I'm expecting the market to drop down from here. Okay, let me go to 15-minute time frame. Exactly. So I'm expecting the market to touch this supply zone here and this resistance area, touched it, then another quick sell before the market will start buying. So that is actually my analysis on gold. today. Expect more buys from gold this week. Okay. Then which other pair I've not yet analyzed? Let me go to USD JPY. Now this is USD JPY. Okay. Now this USD JPY, I'm expecting. Let's start from a daily time frame so we can see the overall picture of what is happening. Okay, now is the best time to actually trade. Right now is the best time to trade because the market is volatile due to the crisis that is happening. So guys, for USD JPY broke this my major support area. We tested on top and did what? And went straight to my supply, to my support area up here. So when the market retested here, the market trended upwards. Okay, the market retested here around October last year, and the market went straight up to come and hit this our major support area, a major resistance area. Sorry. Now, as you can see, when the market hits it, there was a huge sell. The market sold massively. Then the market tried going up to fill up the other block. Another sell happened. Now, this particular sell that happened, it was not able to take out this low. That is why I'm skeptical. Assuming that this particular low will stay in, then I'll be sure that the market is going to do what? Is going to hit here and start going lower, right? But what I'm seeing, let's go to a 4-hour time frame. So what I'm seeing from USD, that's USD JPY, I'm expecting the market to come and hit this my supply resistant zone. Okay, hit it and drop lower. Once market hit it, drop lower. Or if the market can just, this is what I'm expecting. The market is almost at the resistance area. So I'm expecting the market to hit it here and drop lower. Okay, or because of market did not take out this particular low, so I'm skeptical the market might come and break this my resistance area, retest it, and start going up. Okay, and start going up. But right now, let me go to a 1-hour time frame. So right now, let's go back to 4 hours. Right now, as you can see, I've already drawn a counter trend line here. I'm actually waiting for the counter trend line to break. Now, if it breaks, I'm going to enter a quick short sell to maybe around here. Okay. And if you pay attention to the 4-hour time frame, you will see that this particular spike that happened here is once if this particular let me zoom in very well. If this particular candlestick that is here, if this candlestick close, if this 4-hour candlestick close like this, that is leaving a wick. And you can see that the wick has gone to hunt people's stop losses. Okay, so if the body of the candlestick settles below this my black line, that is my straight horizontal black line. If the body of the candle settles below, then there's high chance that this my trend line is going to break and we are going to head lower. Okay. So if that my trend line breaks, if this my trend line breaks it for USD JPY, I'm expecting something like this break. maybe like small time frame we test, and we head lower. We head lower to here. There is we have a minor demand zone here. Okay, so guys, that is it. That is it for today's class. That is it. That is it. That is it. So if you want to join my Telegram mentorship group, if you want to join my Signal mentorship, Signal, my VIP Signal is open for the month of March. All these trades, I'm going to be sending it there. Okay. So what you need to do is, check the link on this particular video. Check the link on the description of this video, or you check for a number. Chat me up on WhatsApp or click the number to chat me up on Telegram. Then if you want to join my Signal group, okay? So guys, see you next Tuesday. See you guys next Tuesday. Bye.